Hi and welcome to this tarot video. In this video I will show you a simple 3-card spread related to a specific situation. So if you have shuffled the cards, you can begin to make the spread. The first card will be put here, and this card indicates the past. The second card will be put next to the first, and this one indicates the present situation, and the last card indicates the future. So as you can see, this is a very simple spread, and it is related to a specific situation and to the evolution of this situation. In this tarot video I will show you a simple 3-card spread that helps you reflect on a certain situation and find a solution for a problem, for a specific situation that is worrying you. So the first card is the card that indicates your hopes related to the specific situation. The second card is talking about your dreams, whereas the last card indicates your fears regarding the problem that you have. So if you have a certain concern and you need guidance, you can use this simple 3-card spread, tarot spread. In this video I will show you a simple 3-card spread that gives information and advice on a specific situation. So if you have a problem and you want to, you need advice, you do not know how to react, you are worried about a specific problem and you would like to get some advice on how to react, you can use this simple 3-card spread. So the first card here indicates the current situation. The next card indicates the obstacles related to this situation, whereas the last card gives you advice on how to react in the future in order to solve the problem that you have. So as you can see, it is a very simple spread, and the cards are ordered one next to the other.